Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. In today's video you will find out how the price of Ripple has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Ripple hourly time frame, the price moved down with around 3.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 38.4 cents. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 50 SMA downwards. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 38.4 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 39.2 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the hourly relative strength index, currently, the hourly RSI of 32 can be found in the lower region, meaning that the price is being more or less oversold and we can expect a comeback, or for the price at least to remain stable for some time. Looking at the hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 38.2 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 38.9 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 46, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. We can expect for the price to continue going down or perhaps remain at least stable, because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 38.2 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 39.6 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 47, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the daily MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. But it's expected for the price to remain the same for some time, because the MACD histogram shows that the momentum at the moment is shifting upwards. You should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.